A disturbing scene unfolded in Masvingo on Thursday evening when police officers, accompanied by dogs, allegedly assaulted Masvingo Mira chief photographer Nyasha Mariga before confiscating his work equipment. Sabena mashwaruda panguwa inochonekwa police with the dogs bash Masvingo journalist tear off clothes, grab camera. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipna mnoziri mobile komchinzi. Mariga was covering a dramatic handoff involving a Mushikashika driver who had thrown himself under his vehicle to stop it from being impounded. Eyewitnesses say police officers reacted violently to Mariga's attempts to capture the incident on camera. His cell phone and camera were seized, his shirt was torn, and he was taken into custody at Masvingo Central Police Station. One bystander describes the shocking event. The police went too far. They beat him up and humiliated him for simply doing his job. The attack quickly sparked chaos in the city, with the angry residents confronting the officers. Crowds reportedly forced the police to retreat, allowing the Mushikashika driver to escape to loud cheers. A tow truck called to haul the police away was also chased off after residents threatened to touch it. The Masvingo Mirror condemned the assault and said Mariga's detention was unlawful. A senior official at the paper demanded his immediate release, stressing, Nyasha has committed no crime. He is a fully accredited journalist with the Zimbabwe Media Commission and has every right to be on the scene taking pictures. Masvingo Police spokesperson Inspector KUTYA was not immediately available for comment. Tomash Karuda Pangwa ino chonekwa aiwa matamdziko ari kusangana nemajournalist kunyangwe nemamwe ari accredited aiwa the Zimbabwe Media Commission, but panguwa ino they are still suffering. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Abva comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.